Enamel cast iron cookware is favored for its cooking properties without leaching iron into food, and enamel glazed bathtubs are also popular in some homes. While enamel is easy to clean, stains can occur and scratches may expose the iron underneath, leading to rust. For effective stain removal, boil water in the cookware, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and let it simmer before scraping with a wooden spoon to avoid damage. For stubborn stains, a paste of salt and lemon juice can be applied, left to sit for an hour, and then scrubbed away. When cleaning, choose gentle, enamel-safe products and avoid abrasive sponges or metal utensils. Regular maintenance, such as rinsing and drying after use and using oil or cooking spray, can prevent buildup and sticking. It's also important to gradually adjust heat and only use enamel cookware on conventional stovetops. If stains persist in porcelain enamel bathtubs, consider professional reglazing.